So as we were looking for a pool contractor, we have a really good friend who's an award-winning pool designer. And he went and did a search across all of Utah to try to find the person or the group that would be best to construct the design that he was creating for us. And really the only one that he came back with that he said that he'd feel comfortable with was Platinum. And he had interviewed about everybody that there was in the state of Utah. So once we met the people at Platinum, we began to share that same confidence. And really from an owner's perspective, typically what I don't want the project to be about is the contractor. What you want is somebody that can take your vision and turn it into reality. And that was the good thing about Platinum. You want people that do what they say they're going to do. They want people who are you want people who are responsive to you and listen to what you're saying. And you want a group that is very just responsive to the needs that you have, and Platinum was that. It's not, I didn't have to sit and worry about them if they were doing the work, if they weren't doing the work, were they doing it at high quality. I just knew that it was being done right. And that was a great relief to me, so that we could enjoy the process and not end up owning the process.
For me, I like to sit in the swings under the deck, and I love to come out in the evening and watch the sunset. And as a mother, I've really noticed that all of the kids and myself, we spend a lot more time outside and a lot more time together. So if one person is out swimming, after a few minutes, everybody comes out. They'll see someone out here and they'll think, oh, I want to participate. And so it's really brought our family together. We're doing something outside, enjoying the beautiful weather, enjoying the beautiful scenery, and spending time together. From start to finish, it was a bigger project than we had anticipated. I mean, we'd never put a pool in before, so, but you know, with winter, it took a little bit longer than we had anticipated because we had to stop for the weather and then start again in the spring. But Platinum was really good to just, when the weather was good, they got here, they went right to work. All of the workers were very respectful, and I really liked how they cleaned up after themselves. I didn't have to always come out, pick up garbage, or see a huge mess in the backyard for the whole time that it was under construction. They were very, very respectful and clean. And there, you know, with any project that you do, there's going to be a few hiccups. And, you know, we had a couple, but Platinum was really good about just getting right on top of it, coming and fixing things that needed to be fixed or changing things that needed to be changed. They were just really good about doing that, and we appreciate that.
So I definitely recommend Platinum to anyone out there that's looking to really create a high quality outdoor living experience, pool related in your backyard. I know our experience has been wonderful with them. You know, they're responsive, they pay attention to what you're saying. If you call them with any question or any issue, they're very quick about getting back to you. And so, you know, that's what you're looking for in a contractor, is a partner to really take your concept and make it a reality. And they were a great partner in the process.